how to find different products to dropship on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can find different products to dropship on Facebook. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, if you are trying to dropship products on Facebook, then there are a couple of things you need to know. One, Facebook does not provide you with all the information that you would need in order to find a product that you might think is one of the most popular ones, right? So there are a lot of products on Facebook, but they don't give you enough information to find which one is the most successful one, which one is trending, which one people are buying. So you don't get any of that information. But what you can do is you can find all of that information onto other marketplaces such as Walmart or Amazon or eBay or Etsy or any other place, and you can find those products, and then you can find information on them, and then you can start drop shipping them over here. So basically this is how it's going to look like, right? So you have a customer that's going to want to buy a product, right? And you are selling that product, right? He's going to pay you $200 for that product, or it can be $300, $100, it can be anything. And now you have the product. Now you got to find a supplier. Let's say you already have a supplier for that product, right? That's why you listed it. You have a supplier that is selling that product for cheap, right? Now what you do is, once you get all the information from the customer and their money, what you're going to do is you're going to contact the supplier. You're going to give them all the information of the customer, like where the customer want that product to be shipped, delivered, when, how, all of that. And so the supplier is going to basically send the product at a cheaper price. So you're going to be making a profit of $100 or $50 or whatever margin you've set. So this is basically how it looks like you are the middleman. And that's basically how drop shipping works. So let's say you've uploaded a product on Facebook Marketplace for $200. It contacts you, and then you ship the product to them, right? And before people say that, you can't ship it, before you couldn't ship products from the Facebook Marketplace, you had to physically go towards the seller. You had to meet them, give them the amount of money, right? And then take the product. But now Facebook's changed. You can now actually deliver the product to them. So it's now possible to drop ship on Facebook. Like over here, as you can see, some of these products have delivered to underneath them, like this one and this one, which means that we can actually go ahead and drop ship these products, meaning we don't have to go towards these sellers. We can just buy them, and then they'll ship them towards us. So it's pretty possible. It's really cool. So as I said before, you can't really get information on Facebook on these different types of product, but we can find information on different marketplaces. So let's go over to Amazon. Okay, so here on Amazon, we can go ahead and start finding different products. One of the easiest ways to find products that you want to deliver to you is by coming over here onto all and just simply finding one of the best ones out there, like, the top selling products. So over here, 1 minute. So here are the bestseller, best-selling items. I couldn't find it over here, but if you just quickly search for best-selling items, then it'll pop up. All right, so this is the best-selling items in babies, best-selling items in cameras and photos, office supplies and softwares, right? These are all the best-selling products within their niche, and you can go ahead and check them out. So it all depends on you, what type of products you want. But I would say, since you're drop shipping products, you're on a marketplace, you don't have to limit yourself to a niche. You can go with different products. You can just combine a bunch of different products together. Like, you can get some cameras in there, throw in some stationaries, throw in some softwares or automobiles or whatever, and you've got yourself a store, right? So it all depends on you. Let's say pet supplies. We can go ahead and search for some best-selling items in pet supplies. So over here we can see we have these bags for dog poop. We can go with that. We have the basic dog puppy pads, leakings and all of that. We have the cat litter over here. We can go with these ones, but you generally have to find a product that has like a wow factor, right? Like this one right here. This is like the pet grooming brush. So a lot of people who are dog owners or cat owners, or they require this type of groomer so that they can get rid of all the hair, so that they can stop shedding. So this is a pretty amazing product that you can sell on Facebook Marketplace, right? And because you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, you can amp up the prices a little bit. Like over here it says 14, right? Like you can sell it for maybe like $18 or $16. Just don't go too crazy, keep it in the limits. If a product is cheap, then of course you can't put up a large margin on them, because if it's already cheap, let's say there's a product for $5, there's no way that you can sell it for 15. I mean, you could maybe, I'm not saying you can't, but it doesn't make any sense, right? So inexpensive, because people are gonna find like, okay, this is a brush, why is it $15? They're gonna search for other places, and they're gonna find the same product for a lesser price, and then you'll be like, then they won't buy it. So find a product that you think could be higher, like this one right here, classic dogs anxiety jacket, right? I don't think a lot of people use it, but most dogs require it. Not only humans, but dogs also get anxiety. So of course they would like this. And as you can see, the price is anywhere between $30 to $50. So you can go ahead and put a price over there depending upon what you are selling. That could be sold for a more expensive product, but as I said before, it's all up to you. And this is how you basically go ahead and find different products. So if you want to find in appliances, then over here these are appliances. Usually appliances sell much better. So over here, as you can see, we have the this one right here, 9 cubes ready. This is like a self cleaning ice machine with ice scoops. So this one is going over for $100, $120 over here. This one is for 19, 130. So you can see you can sell these for like 100 more than what they are. Like, since this is 130, you could probably sell it for 140, maybe even 50. And this one is anywhere between 120 to 140. You can sell it for 150 as well. And since this is $100, you can sell it for 120 or maybe 30. Since these are more expensive products, you can put a bigger margin on them. So these are the types of products that you would be looking for, something that people would want, something that people would need, and something that you can sell easily as well. So this is how you find different products on Amazon that you could need. So let me actually find some home and kitchen, maybe like, so over here, like these products, homes and kitchens. So you have these sheets, the basic lightweights, microfiber bed sheets. Microfiber bed sheets are really cool, and they're selling for like $33, anywhere between that. And you can go and sell them for $40 or $40-ish. You have these Dex box, you can sell this for a large amount of price. Like all these different products that you would see that you think people want, like this one, right? Like comfy plush. This is an air mattress. You could probably sell it as well. This is an indoor insect trap. And because this is like a different product, and since summer is coming up, I think over here where I live, it's summer currently, bugs are a very big problem. I would definitely need to get something like this, and you can sell this as well depending upon what season you're in. That could also be a good stuff. So this is how you generally find different products that you want to sell online. And once you find a product, let's say this is a product, then all you have to do is just get the information, right? So you have all the information you would need, the material it uses, the packs, the colors they're in, the pricing, the shipping, and all of that. And you can just simply go ahead and find these products, and you can sell them on the Facebook Market page as well. And same thing with over here on eBay as well. I don't recommend eBay because eBay is a marketplace where already a lot of people are selling. So sometimes you don't know if that seller is trustworthy or not. But you could also go with Walmart as well. And over here you can go with different brands. So as you can see, Mainstays, Equate, Pengear. Mainstays is like a brand that is exclusive to Walmart. So if we come over here onto Amazon and we just simply search for Mainstay right here, we can find different products over here. So as you can see, we have different products. We can see how much they're sold, their ratings, and all of that, and we can probably sell them as well. So as you can see, Mainstays 8 cube bookcase, that's white. I don't see any products for this one, but I think it's because it's out right now. But like, I don't know why I can't see the prices on these. But as you can see over here on on Walmart, if I just switch to Mainstays, we can find that product as well. So over here, let me actually search for it. Okay, so we're over here. Let me see if I saw that. Here we go. So as you can see, this is a 12 cube, this is 6 cube, this is an 8 cube storage organizer. So I believe this is it. 1 2 3, I think this is it. Bookcase right here. Yeah, this is the product. So over here, as you can see, if I click on this product, it's going around for 40, let's say $50, right? and over here you can then sell this product on Facebook Marketplace for like 50ish or 60 or $80. It all depends on you. It's pretty amazing. And so it's very simple. Just simplify the products that are trending, that are selling at the moment, that you think has the wow factor and people would want in the country you're living in or in that region. Basically find a product that solves a certain problem, like that insect killer that I saw, like the bug trap, mosquito trap, or whatever it was. You could probably get something like that solves a problem, and then of course you're gonna make a profit sooner or later. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.